How are high-end custom jewelry showcases produced? Let DINGYANG tell you. First, we will make a floor plan according to the needs of the customer, which can clearly show the layout of the jewelry showcase display. Then, we will make sketches of the jewelry display cabinets for shops, which can show the general appearance of the jewelry shop furniture in the store, and modify the showcases at any time according to the needs of the customer. Next, we will make 3D design drawings of the jewelry store, so that you can see in advance what the store will look like after the jewelry showcases are installed. Now, let's follow Shirley to have a look at our finished jewelry showcases.
Hello guys, how are you? I'm Shirley, the owner of DINGYANG Jewelry Showcase Factory. Today, we would like to share with you our newest project in our workshop now. Please look, the black and white, very modern, very luxury design style. This project will ship to USA. We offer the whole project 3D design and fully custom-made service. Also the door-to-door shipment service too. Very luxury jewelry shop. I will show you more the product details. After that, you will learn more about us. LED lights is on 4 sides. This is the MDF covered PU leather, and this part is the MDF with the painting finish. Jewelry. Inside is painting too. LED lights. This is the glass counter. Also, the top part install the LED lights too. This is the wall showcase. The brand logo installed on top part. Stainless steel lighting brand logo. Sliding door. This is the sliding door. Edge shelf installed with the LED lights. Storage, big storage. Let us see the logo wall. Very luxury logo wall. And then this is the cash counter. Very practical cash counter structure. The glass on top.
We also provide 3D design and door-to-door transportation services, and we can guarantee you that your showcases can arrive smoothly and safely. Please contact DINGYANG